AMJ is a source manufacturer specializing in aluminum, windows, and doors, integrating design, production, and project delivery. Based in Foshan, Guangdong, China, we serve global markets with established overseas branches. Our 35,000 square meters modern facility and 8 stable production lines deliver a monthly capacity of 22,000 square meters. Standardized processes and reliable production ensure clear, well-controlled project delivery timelines. From start to finish, every window and door follows a clearly controlled production process. Each product is checked to meet usage and installation standards before leaving our factory. With over 10 years of experience, we understand the practical needs of windows and doors across different markets and building types. Our R&D team continuously improves our products based on customer feedback, from requirement discussions and design to production, quality inspection, and delivery. All key processes are completed in-house. We offer a wide range of aluminum, window, and door solutions, including sliding, folding, louver, awning, and casement designs. All products can be fully customized in size, structure, and configuration to suit different project needs. We deliver tailored window and door solutions, with full project support for residential, commercial, and construction projects. With nearly 10,000 projects completed worldwide, we bring expertise across climates and building types. From R&D and manufacturing to project implementation, we provide professional, reliable solutions to realize your vision.